So guys, this is the home style chicken. It's going on nice. Look at that, guys. So pretty.
Alright, yeah man, this is a journey from me to Adventure Jamaica. Right, we're now make
I hope I'm running now, guys. Hi. Me and doing the mango push. Find some lovely mango on the tree. But not all of them ripe still, but a few of them. Welcome back to another episode outdoor cooking. Yes man, and today we're gonna do a link up with Nature Adventure Jamaica. I'm gonna cook some food and relax and enjoy this beautiful fall. Stay tuned. Look at that beauty, guys. My gosh, we're at Adventure Falls. It's a good hike to reach this fall, but it's worth it.
Alright, yeah man, this is a journey from me to Adventure Jamaica. Right, we're now make tour Jamaica's natural wonders. Again, got another special natural wonder. This is Adventure Falls. We go right through Escape River to come here. It's a beautiful, beautiful escape. Right through the name Escape River, or no, the name River Escape actually.
Yeah, River
Escape, man. Not ESCAPE, no, EXCAPE. Escape, alright, River Escape, alright. Now Clarendon and take it near Murray's and thing, man. Once you have drive past Murray's and Clarendon Park, you can't miss it on the left, man. It's a nice little, beautiful, beautiful waterfall. It's a little deep in the middle. So yo, bring your life jacket if you can't forward, or make sure you know how to swim. And if not, there's other areas on the thing where you can sit down and just chill and vibe. You don't have to swim if you have a river, you know that already, you know? But yeah man, like, share, comment and subscribe. Cooking so keep. Big up, alright? Yeah man.
Cool. So yes guys, let me show you what we have on the menu for today. Alright guys, we have the meat cut up already. We're going to season it now. So in here we have our garlic, scallion, tomato, all-purpose seasoning, and chicken seasoning. So stay tuned. Go ahead now and get the chicken seasoned up now.
This is a lot of chicken, man.
Yeah, for a lot of mouth.
People baptizing in the name of Jesus.
So alright guys. So guys, so stay tuned till when here guys, the fire up and running for the home style chicken. So I'm gonna go ahead now and put on the pot on the fire. So stay tuned. Oil in the pot now. Milk into the pot now, so still adding coconut milk. Washing the rice now, so I'll go ahead now and add it to the pot right now. So stay tuned. Chicken is out of the pot, so we're going on to the next batch of chicken over here. Rice finished now. Not sure. Nice. So guys, this is the home style chicken. It's going on nice. Look at that, guys. So pretty. So guys, this is the finished product of the home style chicken. Looking so lovely. So how is the food?
Too good, man. Too good, man. I'm not done yet, but I want a second.
You go watch. Yes, guys, the evening is coming down now. Sun is still out, but everything is going. But everything is alright.